It's kind of unusual to both teams to go through the season undefeated and do so in the playoffs as well.
Right, and they're both Badgerland Conference teams this year, which, yeah, it's...
Have the scrum reset. Worth noting here with this Chargers team, they have inserted their fullback wearing the number 16 jersey. They're missing a 15, and he is lined up in this strong side.
And the Chargers are in business here, pushing deeper into the west side zone.
We see the west side team.
Nice hit.
Nicely done. Nice job. Nice counter ruck by the Exiles.
Counter rucking by the Exiles. Looks a little sloppy there. We'll see. Oh, the ball came out. Looks like we got a knock on in trying to pick that ball up.
That was Alex Orvis.
Tackled down outside the 22. We'll get a quick whistle here to start us off.
Touch it, you'll line out where the ball crosses the plane of the sideline. If you're in front of the 22, where you pass back inside and the ball goes straight out to